Hello, Sifu Howard.
Hello.
I have a question for you. What is the relationship between 8 mansions and flying stars?
8 mansions and flying stars. Well, they're both very popular compass school system, and they're both producing the same chi energetics, but they use them in different ways. For example, in the concept of early heaven is Qi, later heaven is Yung. In the 8 mansion system, they're using both together to create to derive the East 4 and West 4 group. Whereas flying stars much more dynamic. They're using the flying pattern of the Lo Shu, right, to find the changing, cyclical changing in space and time. And the way they mark out the direction is also different. One is only basing on 45 degrees, you got 8 directions. The other is basing on 24 mountains of 15 degrees each. Right? So in the interpretation of flying star, the flying star using the late heaven, which is represented by the Lo Shu, right, as the T, and they're using the later heaven as Yung, in a sense looking for early heaven Lo Shu relationships, right? But then when it comes to the application, right, flying star is much more useful, right, for general reading of a situation of a house in this environment. But for if you want to like our furniture, to suit a person, then I mentioned has the concept of the Minghua, which is based on a person's year of birth, right? And that allows you to locate furniture in a direction that is auspicious for the person, which it doesn't have, right, in the flying star system. But flying star system much more dynamic. So therefore, some of the more complicated questions that people will ask about their house is best answered with flying star rather than the simple dividing the house into two groups and the person into 2 groups. I think that is basically the difference. But both have their applications, right? I normally we're using the flying star to look out the chi pattern of the house in this environment. And then when it comes to the detail of laying out the furniture, I switch to using 8 mansions. Thanks.
Thank you.